So guys, today I'm gonna bring you guys a video of review of the Zoom H1. Okay guys, as we can see, the Zoom H1 is an X and Y microphone. As we can see, this is the positions of the screen, which indicates the information that you will need. And of course, the most obvious button will be the record button located at the middle. So we are going to look at the side of the Zoom H1. As we can see, this is the positions of the headphone jack, which allow us to plug in a headphone. And this will be the volume button to control the volume of the headphone. And of course, located at the very bottom of the Zoom H1, we have our SD card slot to put in our SD cards. At the other side of the Zoom H1, this is the USB port, which allow us to plug in the computer to transfer file and to be used as a microphone. Moving on, we will have our on-off button. In order to turn on the Zoom H1, we will have to slide the button below in order to get this thing to on. In order to turn off the Zoom H1, we will just need to repeat the same procedure and the Zoom H1 will turn off. By pushing up the hold button, it allows the recording to be undisturbed by any random accidental button pushing. And the delete button is located over here. By pressing the button and turning on the Zoom H1 at the same time, you will be able to delete any audios that you want. And right here, we will have our audio jack, which allow us to plug in an external microphone. And of course, we have our input level button, which allow us to adjust the sensitivity of the microphone. We have our play and pause button, our fast forward and fast backward button over here, and in the same time it can be used to adjust the frequency of the mic. The default frequency will be 44/16, but as a vlogger, I found out that 48/16 works best in my case. At the back of the microphone, we have our horseshoe screw mount over here, which allow us to screw onto stands or camera. And of course, we have our recording format output adjuster, from choosing WAV, which I usually do, to MP3 for a smaller file. Moving up, we have our auto level adjuster, from turning on to off, but most of the time we turn it off. As for the low cut adjuster, you only have the on and off option over here, but most of the time we turn it off. The peak indicator is located on top of the screen. Just in case if our recording is a little too loud, it will glow red. To ensure optimum recording quality, we must ensure our decibels does not go more than 6. The Zoom H1 operates using AA battery. It is recommended to use a rechargeable battery because the Zoom H1 drain battery lives very fast. So without further ado, we are going to move on to the microphone test. Hello, testing 1 2 3. 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 So as you can see guys, I am actually recording with the Zoom H1. Let's say that I'm vlogging. This is the usual distance that I am going to use. So if I were to stretch my arm a little further, if I really wanted to get a wider shot out of my camera, this is how it will sound like. It actually doesn't really sound really bad though. I have tested like certain scenario, outdoors, indoors, and it kind of works pretty well anyways. So the microphone jack that I showed you probably a moment ago is for you to put in external microphone, like what I'm using now is a lavalier microphone. You can buy yourself any dirt cheap lavalier microphone and sound absolutely, I mean, not too high quality, but it sounds better than your handphone microphone, your smartphone microphone, I would say. So if you were to
involve like several people using a lavalier microphone, you can actually add yourself a splitter over here to, get two lavalier microphone and plug it in. Just plug and play. You just need a splitter and you're done. So okay guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys liked the review and I'm gonna see you in the next video.